Homeowner states unit was freezing up. I told homeowner to shut off the unit when I got here so that way she could thaw out. I'm gonna check refrigerant charge since he already has changed the filter, so I know that is good to go. And the blower motor is pumping, but I'm gonna check the capacitor just to be safe. ECM motor. I ain't gonna worry about it. Let's go outside, check her out. Least favorite units, the York. I hate with a passion the York. Hands underneath some of these, but up there, York, Guardian, Champion. Say trash all around. Let's see what we're looking at here. Hey. Huh, look at that, it's so cool. It's way different once you get the better connection on there. 85, yeah, she won't freeze up. Alright, let's go get some 410. Clean her out. Pop her on there. Yeah, sweating a little bit. That's good. Look at her sweating all the way down. Subcool is still pretty shitty. Let's just throw in another 8 ounces here. 7. I'm doing something that's subcool. Not gonna replace all this, that's still good, but at least probably do about that much. It's not a lot, but it's little things that say, hey, I care.